How to check credit scores on WhatsApp for free? It's a must to have a good credit score to avail home and personal loans at cheaper rates. Now, customers can check their credit scores provided by Experian India for free on WhatsApp. On Wednesday, 9th November, Experian announced a service that allows Indian customers to check their credit scores on WhatsApp for free. This is the first time that any credit bureau in India is offering such a service. Consumers can check their Experian credit reports regularly and monitor their credit portfolio easily. Steps to check free Experian credit score on WhatsApp. Send Hey to Experian India's WhatsApp number 919920035444. Share a few basic details such as your name, email ID and phone number. Receive your Experian credit score via WhatsApp instantly. Request a password protected copy of the Experian credit report which will be sent to your registered email ID. Indian consumers can access their credit information in real time, helping them make informed credit decisions, instill good financial habits, and enjoy the benefits of maintaining a good credit score. Being able to check their credit scores for free via WhatsApp, Indian consumers can access their credit information in real time. This initiative introduces a quick, secure, and convenient way to access one's Experian credit report anywhere, anytime. If you feel this video was helpful, then please don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming updates. Thank you so much for watching.